Jelena, go in there and help her.
You grab it, I can't feel it. You got it.
It's good!
Okay, come on. Just don't let go of it. Oh my god, it took forever. You caught a bird.
A wild bird!
Easy, girl. No, don't let it go.
No, catch it.
I don't crush birds. Let me hold it.
No, don't let go of it! I don't want to touch it.
It's okay, it won't hurt you. You just wash your hands after.
Don't put your fingers in its mouth. It'll bite you.
It doesn't bite. We can let it go after
Okay.
we're done with it.
I had bird nests in my barn, and they never.
Oh
my god! Yes!
Did you ask Mommy about it?
What?
Did you ask Mommy to go out?
What? Oh my god! No, I was too.
That's not good.
Okay, so you go.